Hey guys, this is DbdKmp, the best in the house, and welcome back. And this is another episode of Doom 1, or DbdKmp, the best in the house plays Doom 1. The proper way on PlayStation. Anyway, not the true one, but somewhere on PC. But anyway, there's your password for the next level. And, that we're going in, because we are not entering command control. I don't know. I guess I'm not too good at accents right now, but anyway. I mean, I am when I can actually accent. Yeah. Or do voices, I suppose. So, I got kills 72%, and items 38% in the last episode, and secrets 0%. I'm pretty sure there's some secrets there, but honestly, I'm not sure how I would go about getting them, because I'm not too proficient at this game. And anyway, we're gonna go into right immediately. So your password will be NJNB3QDMML. We're gonna pause immediately as soon as we get in, because I gotta do something right quick. Alright, I'll see you momentarily. Okay, so yeah, I'm uploading the first episode. It's coming up, not the very first episode of this series, but out of the 3 that I gotta work on for Sunday. So, anyway, just thought you should know that, as well as it's being recorded on Wednesday, September 2nd, as of kind of the noon time. And, so yeah, we're in command and control, and there we are again. So you might be wondering, why? So, you know, and there's probably some secrets in here too. In the meantime, I'm gonna get ready to start fighting. Didn't even know. I didn't hardly notice that guy there. Yeah, like right there, that's not a secret, but I don't know how to get to it, so I'm not even gonna bother. I don't even know why we picked up a clip when we didn't even use one. Credit in it. Picked up mega armor, which means nothing to me. sometimes when you get stopped by that because you got invisible enemies spray away. How much I can tell you. Ah, so we're up in that one area. I suppose if I run and jumped it, but this is not really the best platform when it comes to, jumping. You might be wondering why I switched guns, because we were kind of getting low on shotgun ammo, and I didn't really want to use it all up. And I've been using guns because I've been finding it a little bit more harder to use the, whatever that is. I think we lost the chainsaw, but it doesn't really matter. Yeah, it don't matter if we lose the suit, because we're pretty good. Alright, that's where we'll leave it. In the next episode, we'll continue on. Anyway, this has been DbdKmp, the best in the house plays Doom. Later. Bye-bye.